today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Renderforest. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which sign-in option to choose so you can get into your account quickly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going straight to renderforest.com. Type the address carefully into the address bar and press enter. You should see the official homepage load. If you're on a desktop, glance at the top of the page to make sure everything looks familiar and the site is secure. Using an up-to-date browser helps the page load correctly and keeps the sign-in flow smooth. Next, look to the upper right corner of the website and click on Sign In. That's your gateway to the login page. On a phone or tablet, the Sign In option may appear in the top menu or behind a small menu icon. Once you tap it, you'll be taken to the same sign-in screen. On the sign-in page, you'll see quick options to use an Apple or Google account. Choose the one that matches the account you use with Renderforest. When you click Apple or Google, a small window may appear asking you to select your account and confirm permissions. This is normal and helps securely connect your profile. If you already keep your Apple or Google account signed in on your browser, the process may be almost instant. If not, you might be asked to enter your Apple ID or Google credentials just this once to proceed. Be sure you pick the same account you originally connected to Renderforest so everything lines up. If you prefer not to use Apple or Google, you can also use email login. On the same page, locate the email login fields. Enter the email address associated with your Renderforest account and then your password. Take a moment to double check for typos, especially with uppercase and lowercase letters. When you're ready, continue to sign in and wait a moment for the dashboard to load. After a successful login, you'll arrive at your Renderforest workspace or dashboard where you can access your projects and tools. If something doesn't load right away, give it a second and refresh the page if needed. For a smoother experience in the future, consider staying signed in on your personal device, but avoid doing that on shared or public computers. That's it. Go to renderforest.com, click Sign In at the upper right, and choose Apple, Google, or email login, whichever you prefer. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Renderforest.